Hey guys, in this video I'll guide you through the quick and easy process of adding the ESP32 board to your Arduino IDE, expanding your development capabilities within the Arduino platform. So my name is Adham Aboud. I'm an electronics engineer, entrepreneur, and low-level software architecture and design consultant. I'm passionate about merging technical expertise with digital health innovation for a better world. To start, let's first open the Arduino app and waiting until it uploads. We will go now to File, Preferences. After that, we will insert the link below to the additional boards manager URLs text field and press OK. Then we will go to Tools, Boards Manager, and we will filter this list for ESP32, and we will install the ESP32 by Expressive Systems. It's already installed in my device. All you need to do now is relax and allow the installation process to complete. Once it's finished, I highly recommend rebooting to ensure the updates are properly applied. After rebooting, navigate to Tools, Board, then select ESP32 and choose your specific board. In my case, it's the ESP32W Rover kit. I will choose it. Now, let's test the installation. We will begin by plugging the ESP32 board into the computer and identify the port number to which the ESP32 card is connected. With the Arduino IDE, we will go to Tools, Port, and then we will select the port that the ESP32 is connected to. In my case, it's connected to COM5. The next step is to download a code to the ESP32 and verify if it's functioning as intended. To achieve this, we will go to File, Examples, Basics, and we will select the Blink example code. A new sketch will open in the Arduino IDE. Now, all that's left is to upload the example to the kit and verify if it toggles the green LED. If everything works, then the entire process has been executed correctly. Great job! You have successfully uploaded and tested your first code on the ESP32. Stay tuned for more exciting projects and tutorials. Happy tinkering!